In this video, we will compute the inverse of the Laplace transform f of s equals e to the negative 4s plus 1 all over s minus 2. Rewriting this as an inverse Laplace, we're saying that we want to compute the Laplace inverse of e to the negative 4s plus 1 over s minus 2. Noticing that the Laplace function f of s includes e to the negative 4s should make us aware that we will need to use a step function with c equals 4, because we saw that the Laplace inverse of e to the negative sc, where c is 4 here, times the Laplace transform of some function f of t is the shifted version of f, u sub c of t times f of t minus c. But notice that in order to use this here, we need e to the negative sc, in this case e to the negative 4s, to be a factor multiplied by some function. We don't have this here yet because we have e to the negative 4s plus 1 in the numerator. But we can split the numerator and write this as e to the negative 4s times 1 over s minus 2 plus 1 over s minus 2. And using linearity, we can split this up as the Laplace inverse of e to the negative 4s times 1 over s minus 2 plus the Laplace inverse of 1 over s minus 2. Now in that first term, we will directly be able to use a step function. But first, let's make the observation that in both of these terms, we will need to use the Laplace of e to the 2t is 1 over s minus 2, which is showing up in both terms. So we can rewrite this as the Laplace inverse of e to the negative 4s times the Laplace transform of e to the 2t plus the Laplace inverse of the Laplace transform of e to the 2t. Now that second term, the Laplace inverse of the Laplace transform of e to the 2t, is simply e to the 2t. For the term Laplace inverse of e to the negative 4s times the Laplace transform of e to the 2t, we are going to use this shifted step function. Using the property we found, this is going to be u sub 4 of t, since c equals 4, times our function e to the 2t evaluated at t minus 4. So we have u sub 4 of t times e to the 2 times t minus 4. Putting this together, we can conclude that the Laplace inverse of e to the negative 4s plus 1 over s minus 2 is u sub 4 of t times e to the 2 times t minus 4, all plus e to the 2t.